Hello guys, welcome to the channel Tech Icon Place. Today we are going to unbox one more product, that is my product. Let's unbox and see what we have inside. So not cutting, let's go like this. Yeah, we have one more product from MI. So I purchased this from Flipkart. Let's open this box. What we have? We have MI TV dongle, MI TV stick. Some specifications on this box. It says it has a Google Assistant, and they printed YouTube, Hotstar, Netflix, Prime Videos, Z5, Sun Next, Spotify, Woodgates, Geo Cinemas, Hangama Play. So on the left side of this box we can see it has we have a power adapter with it and one remote control. On the right side we have this is we can fix it for HDMI, and we can connect Wi-Fi, so we can stream the videos. Step 3, start streaming. Here they given some steps how to connect. So at the back side of this box we can see 64-bit quad-core CPU it has, and DTS sound, Chromecast inbuilt, so we need not to purchase a Chromecast, directly we have inbuilt in it, and Google Assistants. Okay, let's unbox this product. We have two side seals here. Little bit extended to front. Okay, break the seal. Now open the box. So we have cable, USB cable, adapter, and one remote controller. Finally our stick, MI stick. So no batteries they included, so we get one remote controller. Let's open this. This is the remote controller we have, and we have a Netflix direct button on it, and also Prime button, and also one Google Assistance button. But I don't see any light on it. On and off menu button, back button, and one wheel, up, down, left, right, and middle button, power on and off. So yeah, batteries at the back side. And here we have our MI stick, black in color. So we can see the logo here and a HDMI logo here. The back side some specifications or something they written like MI fast stick input 5 volts equal to 1 amp, and made in China, model number is MDZ-24-AA. So yeah, and finally we have our adapter, charging adapter. We can use this cable to connect MI stick, and we are not getting any external extension, not external. We are not getting any extension here. We usually get for Amazon Fire Stick, so we have to directly connect to the TV here. Here some paperwork how to connect this stick with the TV. Before connecting to TV, let me show you one more product. We have a SD video connector. This is used for the TVs which don't have a HDMI port. So let me show this quickly. Here we go. We have one USB cable for powering. Sorry. And here we go. This is a HDMI to AV. So we can use these cables to connect TV, We can see this model in older TVs. Nowadays we don't have that much problem. This side we have our HDMI port where we can connect this dongle here, and this side we can connect our AV pins, 3 color pins here, and we can connect USB power here, and one on off, not on off, NTSC and PAL modes. I have a Sony TV. I will connect this MI stick to Sony TV, and HDMI cable is already connected to that TV. I am using this connector in between that connector and this, so I can connect directly here. I will show you the demo here. Let's go to the demo.